we are.
No hands!
Just rented a car at Top Rent-A-Car. Went pretty smooth. Leaving Sofia, Bulgaria. On our way to Plovdiv. A couple little stops along the way. That's what we're going to do on our trip. We have a destination and then we just kind of look for cool things to pull over and look at. So, first time driving in Bulgaria. Just luck. On the side of a freeway. Just eating at a little...
It's like eating an AM PM, but obviously way better. So this is a chicken with bacon and cream sauce, and there's some vegetables in here, and it's really good. And then we have zucchini that is stuffed with eggs and cheese, and it looks like peppers. So that's what we got for our lunch today. And then some bread to dip. Okay, so we have made it to Plovdiv, and it is so charming and cute. We just dropped our bags and came down to the old town, and already it's like super charming. Like, we've been here 5 minutes, and I'm really excited to see all the stuff that Plovdiv has to offer.
Я душа, но It's a new generation. Mr. Worldwide. Of party people. Get on the floor, darling. Get on red one. J-Lo. Я душа, но It's a new generation. Mr. Worldwide.
He spelled my name wrong. Can you believe that?
What'd you find out about this place?
I found out that there is historical data that goes back all the way to the 4th century BC, and then there was even work done on the 2nd and 3rd century BC, but they can't, there's some trouble with dating on some stuff, and then there's also not a lot of information that was left regarding what was like living quarters or commercial quarters, things like that.
Alright guys, so we're looking to do a city tour here in Plovdiv. Went online and saw a company, I don't even know if it's a company, but it's called Guru Walk. And basically they're free city tours and you just tip at the end. I'm assuming they plan on a bunch of people showing up and getting tips that way. But for us it was a cheaper route, assuming it's on and we could find it. We think we're at the right place, but it was a $150 tour to go with another individual. So we're going to try this free one and see how it works for us.
Of course we'll tip, so we'll actually be free, because people do deserve to be paid for their work. But we are looking forward to learning some more in-depth information. Yesterday we did walk Old Town, but we didn't necessarily learn everything that...
We got to get the story behind it.
In some places they don't provide information, so you don't necessarily know what you're looking at, even though it's very, very cool. So hopefully we'll get the information to give us a little more historical background today.
We'll let you know.
Just wanted to ask if are you recording me?
Yes.
Or
not yet, but...
Usually that's against our policy.
Okay.
Just like bits and pieces, yes, absolutely. But the whole thing, I would ask you if it's possible, just not to.
Of course.
Thank you. Thank you. I will try and steal the attention from the singing note. Here's the very interesting thing which I can tell you.
secret did you tell?
That I hope we get more viewers. So today we did our very first free walking tour.
Guru walking tours.
Guru walking tours, and our guide was named Elia or Elijah. And he was really good. He said he's been doing this 11 years, which I was kind of surprised because he looked fairly young. And what I really liked about it was that you could ask questions and like get a little bit more detail about things. What was your favorite thing about the tour?
So my thought on the tour was originally we were going to pay a guy €150 to do kind of the exact same type of walking tour. And the way they set up, if you guys don't know about Guru walking tours, they're all over the world. I didn't know that. I just kind of stumbled on it today. But yeah, pretty much any major city, you just Google Guru walking tours and they'll come up. Pick your city and find the times and the meeting place and save yourself a lot of money. We end up I don't want to say only tipped, but we didn't pay for a tour, but we did tip 50 leva, so saved us
100 leva?
$125 probably. So yeah, I highly recommend. I've only done one, but I liked it. Guru walking tours, so make sure you check them out.
Yeah, and the other tour was more money, and it was going to be private, but we thought a group setting would be more interesting, which it did end up being more interesting. And we found out about an opera that we're going to go to tonight, which we wouldn't have found out otherwise. All right, so down there is the ancient theater, and we're going to go to the opera to listen to a performance. As you can hear, they're warming up, so it sounds really nice. I'm getting really excited.
So it is opening night, and we lucked out with some tickets. They weren't really advertising today, but somehow, we know people, and we found out there were some tickets for tonight for opening night, so we're going to check it out.
We are now in Plovdiv. Excuse the squeaky door. We are now in Plovdiv, and this is our place we'll be staying. We booked it through booking.com. Links will be down below. We walk in and we have a full-length mirror with a closet and some extra pillows and blankets and a vacuum, which is kind of nice in case, we make a mess, we can clean it up ourselves. And then we have a little bench to sit on, to put your shoes on. We have a little efficient bathroom. And then a bedroom with a balcony over there and a little desk. And we also have a closet with more blankets and pillows. So plenty to go around. We also are provided with an iron and a hair dryer. And we are very lucky. We have another bathroom. This one is a little bigger, and I think the sink is like super cool. I like the textured tile behind the mirror. I know that's a weird thing, but it's nicely decorated. All right, and on back this way. Shoe rack. Kitchen, which is equipped with a washer, and I believe it's just a washer and there's no drying setting on that, but I could be wrong. I will make sure, and I'll list it below. We also have a fridge, which is camouflaged with a cabinet door, pretty nice, and a microwave, a good sized sink, oven, stovetop. And I believe this is a sofa bed. It is, but I'm not going to pull it out because I don't know how it works. I think you just pull the bottom. And then we have a balcony. And this is a different kind of door that I've never seen before. So you kind of bring the handle down and then it swings out a little bit. And then goes over. And it is a pretty good sized balcony, so if, you know, we wanted to eat meals out here, thankfully they supplied us with a table and some chairs. We have a TV, so if we want to watch TV we can do that. We also have a 4-seated dining table here. So thank you so much for watching our video. We will talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye.